Traditional washing machines use a scraper to scrape off tangled hair. Must be cleaned by hand. The Moprobo magic wand collects all the hair. Just throw it in the trash and change new ones. The Omi belts are clean. Does not manual maintenance. Let's go clean the dirty water tank. There are a lot of parts in the dirty water tank of the traditional washing machine. If the filter is not cleaned in time, there will be molding. Rinse this. The electrode pads on the upper cover need to be wiped with a tissue. Otherwise, it will rust. There is no wet and dry separation in the dirty water tank. Dry and wet garbage are mixed together. Needs to be rinsed repeatedly to get clean. Some of the hair went to the sewage tank. The bottom hole is also dirty, difficult to clean thoroughly. Finally cleaned. Then clean up Moprobo. Wet and dry separation. Taking out the trash is easy. The neat rectangular shape makes it easy to rinse. Residual dirt can be easily wiped away. Moprobo, powerful suction, easy maintenance.